Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way how we could recover the data of a hard disk from a broken desktop computer.
So the first step which we will do, we will first take away or take out the hard disk from our desktop computer. So make sure to unplug it and to put it on the side. The second step, we want to check the type of connector of our hard disk. So here, as you can see, this is the SATA type. So if you have it, it means it's SATA. The second thing, as you can see, my desktop hard disk is very thick, and this is 3.5 usually. If you are not sure what type of connector is your hard disk and if it's SATA, and also if you are not sure if it's 2.5 or 3.5, you can always Google it and you should be able to find it. However, usually on most hard disks you will find it written. For example, on this one it's written SATA, and since it's thicker than a laptop hard disk, it should be 3.5 because the small hard disk one for a laptop is 2.5. Why this is important? This is important because you will need to purchase an adapter. Usually it comes in a box like this. Unfortunately, this one is only for a laptop hard disk, but for our desktop hard disk, we need to buy a USB adapter.
So as you can see guys, for this hard disk 3.5, I have bought this adapter. However, this adapter shows it's compatible with both 2.5 and 3.5. That's what is wanted. And also the good news that it works with hard disks, classical one, and it works even with SSDs, which you might want to use also if you have an SSD instead of a hard disk. So now we will start plugging our hard disk to those adapters. So we have taken out the component of this box, and there is this little adapter which comes also with an electricity plug or a power plug. And as you can see, this is the power plug. So we'll proceed with connecting them. As you can see, guys, I have plugged the USB or the SATA adapter to my hard disk, and I have also plugged the power supply to my hard disk. And now what we're going to do, we are going to proceed with connecting via the USB connector this hard disk to any laptop or any desktop computer to view the data.